Hello there! Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your go-to channel for business and entrepreneurship insights. At HouseLux, we strive to provide you with the most comprehensive and up-to-date information to help you navigate your entrepreneurial journey. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that has revolutionized online retailing, a comprehensive guide to Amazon F.B.A. From setting up your seller account to mastering customer service, we'll cover it all. So, brace yourself for an enlightening journey. Stay tuned as we delve deep into the world of Amazon F.B.A. First things first, what exactly is Amazon F.B.A.? F.B.A., or Fulfillment by Amazon, is a service provided by Amazon that allows sellers to store their products in Amazon's fulfillment centers. Amazon then takes over the responsibility of storage, packaging, and shipping of these products to the customers. It's a game changer for sellers, enabling them to scale their businesses without having to worry about the logistics of storage and shipping. But the benefits don't stop at logistics. Amazon F.B.A. also handles customer service and returns on behalf of sellers, freeing them from these time-consuming tasks. Plus, F.B.A. products are eligible for Amazon Prime and other Amazon services, increasing their visibility and attractiveness to potential buyers. In short, Amazon F.B.A. takes a lot of the heavy lifting off sellers' shoulders, allowing them to focus on what they do best: sourcing and selling great products. Understanding Amazon F.B.A. is the first step to leveraging it for your business. Now that we know what Amazon F.B.A. is, how do you get started? Well, the journey begins with setting up an Amazon seller account. This is your gateway to the vast Amazon marketplace, and it's simpler than you might think. First things first, visit the Amazon Services website and click on the Start Selling button. This will take you to a page where you can choose between two account types. Individual accounts are perfect for those just dipping their toes into the world of online selling, while professional accounts cater to more seasoned sellers. After choosing the account type that best fits your needs, it's time to provide some basic information. You'll need to enter your legal name, address, and contact information. Amazon will also ask for a credit card that can be charged for your selling fees. Next, you'll set up your seller profile. This is where you can tell your story as a seller. Be sure to make your profile as compelling as possible to attract potential customers. Now it's time to get into the nitty-gritty: tax information. Amazon requires all sellers to provide tax information, regardless of where they are based. It's a straightforward process, and Amazon provides clear instructions every step of the way. Finally, you'll need to set up your shipping settings. These settings determine how you'll ship items and how much you'll charge customers for shipping. And there you have it. You've set up your Amazon seller account. With your Amazon seller account ready, you're one step closer to becoming an Amazon F.B.A. seller. The next step is sourcing and listing your products. In the world of Amazon F.B.A., or Fulfillment by Amazon, product sourcing is the process of finding products that you can sell on Amazon. You have a few options here. You can source products from wholesalers or manufacturers, or you can opt for retail arbitrage, where you buy products from retail stores at a discount and resell them on Amazon for a profit. There's also online arbitrage, which is similar to retail arbitrage but is done online. And let's not forget about private label products, where you create your own brand and sell your own products. Now that you have your products, it's time to list them on Amazon. But before you do, make sure you have a clear understanding of Amazon's product listing requirements. You want to ensure your product titles, descriptions, and images are up to scratch and compliant with Amazon's guidelines. To list a product, log into your Seller Central account and click on Inventory, and then Add a product. You then need to search for your product category and fill out the required information. This includes the product ID, which could be a UPC, EN, or ASIN, the product title, brand, and price. You'll also need to include a detailed product description and high-quality photos. Remember, the more detail you provide, the more likely customers are to buy your product. Keep in mind that the price of your product should not only cover your costs, but also leave room for profit. You also need to consider Amazon's fees, which include referral fees, storage fees, and F.B.A. fees if you're using Fulfillment by Amazon. Lastly, you have the option to use Amazon's repricing tool, which can automatically adjust your product's price in response to changes in the marketplace. This can be an effective way to stay competitive and maximize your profits. And there you have it. Product sourcing and listing might seem daunting at first, but with a little practice, you'll be a pro in no time. Remember, the key to success in Amazon F.B.A. is finding high-quality products, listing them effectively, and pricing them competitively. Proper product sourcing and listing are vital to your success on Amazon F.B.A. Your products are ready. Now it's time to ship them to Amazon. This part of the journey, shipping your products to Amazon warehouses, is crucial. And let's break down how to go about it. The first step is to create a shipping plan. This is like a roadmap for your shipment that outlines where you're sending your stock and what products you're sending. In your seller account, go to Manage Inventory. Select the products you want to send and choose Send Replenish Inventory from the drop-down menu. Follow the prompts to complete your shipping plan. Next, you prepare your products for shipment. This is where you need to ensure your products are packaged correctly according to Amazon's guidelines. Each item should have a unique barcode, and fragile items should be bubble wrapped or put in a box. You don't want your products to reach the warehouse in a damaged condition. Once your products are prepped and packed, it's time to label your boxes. Amazon requires specific labels on each box, which includes information like the shipment ID, warehouse address, and the box content. Remember, each box in your shipment must have its unique label. After labeling, you're ready to review and approve your shipment in your seller account. You review the details, make sure everything is correct, and then approve the shipment. You'll then get a bill of lading, which is like a receipt for your shipment. The last step is to arrange for pickup or drop-off of your shipment. You can either use Amazon's Partnered Carrier program, which provides discounted shipping rates, or you can choose your own carrier. Remember to keep track of your shipment. Amazon provides tracking information, so you can monitor your shipment until it reaches the warehouse. You'll also get a notification once your shipment has been received and processed. The whole process might seem complex, but it becomes second nature with practice. The key is to stay organized, follow Amazon's guidelines closely, and make sure your products are packaged and labeled correctly. Shipping your products correctly ensures they reach Amazon warehouses safely. And that's one step closer to getting your products in front of millions of potential customers. Once your products are listed and ready for sale, the real work begins. Now, it's time to dive into the critical aspects of marketing and customer service for your Amazon F.B.A. business. Marketing is the engine that drives your business forward. It's the process of making your products visible and attractive to potential customers. However, marketing isn't just about putting your products out there. It's about strategically positioning them in a way that appeals to your target audience. That's where keyword research and search engine optimization come into play. By understanding what your customers are searching for and how they're searching for it, you can enhance your product listings and increase their visibility. But marketing doesn't stop there. Another crucial aspect is advertising. Amazon offers a variety of advertising options, from sponsored products to display ads. These can help your products get in front of the right people at the right time. However, it's important to remember that advertising isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. It requires testing, analyzing, and refining to ensure you're getting the best return on your investment. Now let's shift gears and talk about customer service. Your relationship with your customers doesn't end once they've made a purchase. In fact, that's just the beginning. Providing excellent customer service is crucial in building trust and fostering long-term relationships with your customers. This includes responding to customer inquiries promptly, resolving issues efficiently, and going the extra mile to ensure customer satisfaction. Remember, in the world of Amazon F.B.A., reviews matter a lot. They can make or break your business. So it's essential to encourage your customers to leave reviews and feedback. Not only do these reviews provide valuable insights into your products and services, but they also help build your reputation and credibility in the marketplace. To sum it up, marketing and customer service are two sides of the same coin. Both are integral parts of your Amazon F.B.A. business and cannot be overlooked. They require time, effort, and dedication, but the results are worth it. Effective marketing and stellar customer service are key to your Amazon F.B.A. success. So make sure you invest your resources wisely and ensure that these aspects are well taken care of. After all, your success in Amazon F.B.A. depends on it. That brings us to the end of our comprehensive guide to Amazon F.B.A. We've journeyed through the process together, from understanding what Amazon F.B.A. really is to setting up your own seller account. We've delved into the critical steps of product sourcing and listing, and navigated the complexities of shipping to Amazon warehouses. And let's not forget the importance of marketing and providing top-notch customer service to ensure your business thrives. Each step is crucial, like individual pieces of a puzzle, coming together to create a successful Amazon F.B.A. business. It's a journey that requires time, effort, and perseverance, but the potential rewards are immense. Remember, knowledge is power, And this guide is your key to unlocking the potential of Amazon FBA. With this power in your hands, you're well on your way to becoming a successful entrepreneur. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to HouseLux Estate for more business and entrepreneurship insights. Until next time, keep hustling.